Hi there, foodies. Welcome back to our food journey on Food Facts for You. Today, we have got a real treat for you. We are diving into the deep, crispy, and sometimes controversial world of calamari. First off, let's get this squid party started by unraveling the magical journey of calamari from the sea to your plate. Calamari, it is like the seafood superstar. We are about to take you behind the kitchen scenes to see how we turn those tentacles into a mouth-watering masterpiece. But wait, before we deep fry our way into calamari creation, let's dive into the ocean of history. Did you know that calamari goes way back to ancient Rome? Yep, those savvy Romans were enjoying this oceanic delight long before us. It's like they were the original seafood trendsetters. Back in the Roman Empire days, calamari was a hot item on their culinary scene. They would whip up all sorts of squid dishes, making it a gourmet treat. The Romans, known for their sophisticated tastes, savored calamari from the Mediterranean. They would season it and sauce it up, turning it into a delicacy. Imagine being at an ancient Roman feast, with senators and centurions enjoying squid rings while discussing empire matters. Calamari was the talk of the town. So, when you munch on calamari today, remember you are savoring centuries of culinary history. It is like taking a bite out of the past. And there you have it, the calamari history that goes back to ancient Rome. It's a timeless delicacy that's been winning hearts for ages. We've covered the history of calamari, and now it's time to explore how it's made, with a focus on that satisfying crunch. Selecting the squid. First, we start with fresh squid. Whether straight from the sea or sourced from trusted suppliers, freshness is key. Precision slicing. The squid is expertly sliced into rings, about ½ inch wide, while the tentacles are left whole. Batter and breading. The squid takes a dip in a special batter or breading mix, including flour, cornstarch, salt, and spices, setting the stage for that signature crunch. Hot oil dip. In they go into hot oil, where the culinary magic happens. High heat quickly turns them golden and crispy, all while keeping the insides tender. This takes just a couple of minutes. Oil draining. After their hot oil bath, the calamari rest on paper towels or racks to shake off any excess oil. Flavor finale. While they're still warm, a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and optional spices adds that final flavor touch. Presentation. Finally, the crispy calamari takes center stage on your plate, accompanied by lemon wedges and an array of dipping sauces. And there you have it, the art of crafting that satisfying calamari crunch in a nutshell. It is all about the batter, the seasoning, and the precise frying temperature. We are going to get you the crispiest calamari in town. But hey, this video isn't all about serious cooking. It is time for some giggles with funny calamari facts. Did you know that calamari is like the chameleon of seafood? It takes on the flavors of whatever you cook it with. So, it's like the ultimate food costume party. Okay, let's address the squid in the room. You have heard the wild rumor about calamari and, well, anus rings. Time to debunk the myth. You might have come across this peculiar tale, the urban legend that calamari is made from something far from appetizing, referred to as the anus ring. Well, let's set the record straight and have a hearty laugh while we're at it. The truth of the matter is that calamari is far more palatable than this amusing rumor suggests. Here is the real story. That delectable dish loved by many is crafted from the squid's tubular body and its unique tentacles. These parts are chosen specifically for their taste, texture, and culinary appeal. So, rest assured, calamari is made from squid tubes and tentacles, delectable ingredients that belong on your plate. The anus ring notion? Well, that's just an entertaining tale to share over dinner for a good laugh. Now that we have set the record straight, it is time to savor the crispy goodness. This is a party in my mouth. The perfect combo of crunchy and tender. I wish you could taste this through the screen. And that is a wrap on our calamari adventure. From history to hilarity and, of course, a whole lot of crunch. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of calamari, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more delicious journeys with us. Until next time, keep munching, stay curious, and remember, the only rings in calamari are the crispy ones.